Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the agitator coupling on this GE top-load washer. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. To begin, open the door. Reach into the tub and place your fingers under the agitator on each side. Rock the agitator back and forth while pulling up to remove it and gain access to the agitator coupling. With the agitator removed, you can now access and remove the 7/16 inch bolt that's holding on the agitator coupling. With the screw removed, pull up on the coupling to remove it and set it aside. When installing the agitator coupling, you will notice it has teeth on the bottom that will line up with the mode shifter inside the washer. Line it up with the spline teeth of the mode shifter and press it onto the shaft. Then, start your 7/16 inch bolt by hand and snug it up using your ratchet or nut driver. When installing the agitator, notice that the 4 fins will line up with 4 grooves on the agitator coupling. Once you get it in place, press it down. Lift up on the agitator to make sure it is properly seated. Finally, close the washer door, and this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.